Now today I'm going to be showing you how to change your engine coolant temperature sensor in your 2015 Dodge Journey with the 2.4. Now this is the part I'm using. Now let's get to work. Let me see, here's your dipstick. Right here is your engine coolant temperature sensor. So you just push that plug in. Now there is a little lever, and I'll show you on the new one so that you can see this little lever right here. So you can come over here, pull up on that lever, and turn it, and pull it out. Now, just gonna slide the new one in and lock it in place. Plug it in. Now, you notice that there was no antifreeze because, well, it all leaked out. So, usually do this when it's cool. Let the engine cool off. Don't try to do it when it's hot. Obviously, this one's going to need antifreeze back in it. Alright, there you have it. That's how you change the engine coolant temperature sensor in a 2015 Dodge Journey. It's pretty simple. Really simple, actually. No tools at all required. Obviously, if you do have engine coolant in there, it's going to drain out and all that. This one did not. It started smoking because coolant popped out and got everywhere. So you can do this yourself in the driveway or anywhere really. It just takes a few seconds. I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.